Hey everyone! Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to easily get Pikachu in Infinite Craft game. So, let's get started. First think first. Take water and put in the field, and then take water and put in the water. When you do that, you will get lake. Then, go to other side. Take fire and put in the field. Take fire and put in the fire. When you do that, you will get volcano. Now, combine these elements. Take volcano and put in the lake. When you that, you will get island. After that, take volcano and put in the island. When you do this, voila! You will get Hawaii. Now, it's time to go to other side. Take lake and put in the field. Then, take lake and put in the lake. When you do this, you will get ocean. Now, take water and put in the ocean. When you do this, voila! You will get fish. Now, the next step is to combine these elements. Take fish and put in the Hawaii. When you do this, you will get poke. Now, we will take fish and put in the poke. When you do that, you will get Pokemon. Now, the last step is to take island and put in the Pokemon. When you do this, voila! You have just crafted Pikachu. Congratulations! You have successfully made Pikachu in Infinite Craft game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.